Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshots without power button in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Usually, to take a screenshot, you will use power button and volume down button together. But if you would like to take screenshot without power button, then you can you can take screenshots. Okay, there are three methods to take screenshots without power button. Okay, first method, first of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, and then use three fingers. Just with your three fingers swipe down along the screen like this, and screenshot will be taken. Okay, this is first method of taking screenshot without power button. Okay, then next method, for the second method, you go to turn on easy touch option. Okay, for that go to the settings of your phone first, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and here just turn on easy touch. Click on easy touch and turn on easy touch, and this is easy touch ball. Just click over it, and here you will have the screenshot icon. Just click it so that screenshot will be taken. Okay, this is second method of taking screenshot without power button. Okay, then final method, third method. For that, go to settings of our phone first. Go to settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and then go to accessibility, and here click on accessibility menu. Click on accessibility menu and turn on this button, accessibility menu shortcut, and give permissions. Click on got it and click on this accessibility menu icon. This icon will be placed in your phone. Just click on it and you will have here screenshot icon. Just click it so that screenshot will be taken. Okay, so this is third method of taking screenshot without power button. Okay, then there is also other method. Just go to notification area, and here click on S capture, and here you will have different screenshot options. That is a long screenshot, rectangular screenshot, funny screenshot. Okay, click on it and you will have the screenshot icon. So in these four methods, you can take screenshots without power button in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.